Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. So if today is your first time of watching my videos or visiting my channel icon, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that each time that I upload a new video you'll be notified. Okay, so today's video I'm making it at night. Okay guys, I really just want to post a video and then I decided to make it at night. But all things being equal, let's go into the video. Yeah, so in this video today I want to be sharing with you some nice benefits of using rose water. Okay, rose water has different types. There's the plain one, then there's the pink one. Okay guys, but today we'll be looking at the plain one, the uses and the benefits. Okay, so rose water helps to hydrate your skin. It moisturizes your skin. It treats acne. If you have acne on your face, you can be using rose water as your cleanser. Okay, it treats scars. If you have any scars and you're trying to remove it, you can always use rose water to clean it before you use anything that you're using to any scar remover. But with the help of rose water, it will fasten it and it will really make it possible. Okay guys, another use of rose water is it removes wrinkles because it has vitamin C in it. It removes wrinkles and fine lines. That is, it has some anti-aging benefits. Okay guys, it also treats dandruff. Yes, it treats dandruff. If you have dandruff and you're trying to remove it, or you're trying to treat it because of the antibacteria that rose water has, you can always use it to wash your hair along with your shampoo. You can add some quantity of rose water to your shampoo and wash your hair with it. It will help to remove the dandruff. Okay guys, rose water also help to stop irritation. If you have some irritations on your skin, it could be as a result of maybe pimples, eczema, or any other skin condition that can possibly cause irritation. You can use rose water to kind of clean the area before applying any treatment on that area. Okay guys, rose water comes in this way too. You can find it in this way, although due to different companies, like I said before, there's the pink colored one which is just the same with this one, and then there's the plain one which is just like this. You can find it in different forms with different companies, so with different producers of rose water. But for me, I find this one to be the best because it's just natural. Nothing is added to it, because there are some rose water that glycerin can be added to. So those ones you cannot use them the way you want to use them. You can't use them on maybe on some wounds, and you can't take them, you can't drink them, because there are some rose waters that if you have some inflammation in your tummy, you can drink 3 tablespoons of rose water. So it will help to calm the inflammation down, because it has this cooling effect and soothing effect to your system. Okay, so this very one that I'm talking about is just natural. It's just like water. It can be drunk and it can be used on the skin. That means that it can be used internally and externally. Okay guys, so this is this for this one. Okay Okay guys, so this is the end of today's video. I hope you benefit from this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Right? Bye.